Hello fragrance fam! Whether you're a fan of Halloween or not, it's no surprise that some of our seasonal bestsellers are on the spooky side. One of our favorites is our version of GHOUL Friend by Bath & Body Works, and I want to use it in a multi-wick candle to demonstrate how to use more than one wick. Let's chat about wicks. If you've never made larger candles before, you may not have needed to use more than one wick. You probably already know that wicks range in size. The type of wax you work with, diameter of your containers, and even the amount of fragrance and dye you use will impact what wicks you select. Typically, candles with a diameter of 3 or more inches benefit from more than one wick. This will help you achieve a full burn pool and improve fragrance throw. Multi-wicking can reduce the chance of clogging as a result of high fragrance load or dye usage. The reason I decided to multi-wick this candle is because my containers of choice have a diameter of 3.5 inches. I also want to make my candle a purple color to match the mood of the fragrance. The wax I've got melting down now is our in-house premium Parasoy blend 6600, which holds dye and fragrance beautifully. A vibrant color can really add a sense of visual impact to a candle's fragrance that makes it a multi-sensory experience. Our version of Bath & Body Works GHOUL Friend is fun and feminine with a touch of tartness that makes it a great fruity floral blend for candles any time of year, but especially for Halloween. With all these factors in mind, you could just wick up to account for the large candle size and addition of dye, but doing so can potentially introduce problems like soot buildup, mushrooming, and a weaker hot throw. So keeping that in mind, I've opted to use 2 Eco 2 wicks spaced evenly from each other and the walls of the container, but LX10s and CD4s are also worth trying out. When multi-wicking, it's essential that you get the placement just right. I know it's tricky enough to get a single wick centered on its own, so using more than one can seem intimidating. Make sure the wicks are spaced the same distance from each other as they are to the edges of the jar. You'll get the most even burn pool this way. From here, you can keep them centered using whatever tools you usually do. Bow tie holders work well, but so do popsicle sticks and other methods. Keep the wicks as straight as possible while the wax cools completely. Make sure to trim them just like you would normally. 1/4 of an inch is a good start for any wick. Conducting burn tests is always an important element to candle production, so don't skip it. Running a test burn with your multi-wick candles will let you know if you need to wick up or down based on its performance. Just like Halloween, using more than one wick for the first time can seem a little scary, but with the right tools and plenty of testing, it can be a great way to get the most of your candles. If you want to see us use even more wicks in another candle, let us know. We'd love to get our hands on some extra large candle containers to show you how to work with them. Until then, my name is Beth, and I hope you'll have a fun and safe Halloween. Bye, fragrance fam!